Group 3 Business Model Canvas Presentation. The J tab.
For the customer segmentation, we choose the diversified market, where the user of the product is the business to business and business to customer. So our target market is the job seeker, employer, and businesses. Value proposition. First is in finding job. Through staying at home and downloading the JTAP application, which is our product, they can able to find job by just using the application that suits their preferences. But the job offer here is within Valencia City. But the other people who are not living in Valencia City can still use the app if they wanted to work here in Valencia City. But we're planning in upgrading our app where we can offer jobs in different places around the Philippines. Second is the additional platform for advertising their product. Even if the job offers here are just within Valencia City, but in advertising the products and services, other businesses in different places can advertise their product here in the application. This application is a big help for establishment who are offering products and services for them to extend their advertisement in the public. Last one is convenience in finding right employees to hire. The JTAP application is very helpful for the employer in finding employee, as they will just posting the availability of the position as well as the qualification on it, since one of the user of this application is the job seeker. This is good platform for them to find employees.
Channel. JTAP is an application that can be downloaded in just a tap. Since it is an app, we are going to use a channel called the web sales. Customer relationship. It is important to have a good relationship with your customers, and we should treat them the way they deserve to be treated. Since it is an app, we are going to use the automated services.
Revenue stream. In maintaining the system, we will gain profit through display of advertising. Business organization establishments can use our application in promoting their product or services through or within our platform. And professional services, by providing a qualified workers or employees in accordance to the needs of the businesses or establishments, will gain profit through service fee. Also, customers are required to pay first in order to download the app. The users can get all the available features that can be used for multiple devices, and the revenue is strictly connected to the users downloading the app.
Key activities. First is online marketing. We want to promote our product through email newsletters, social networks, online advertising, and many more, because we want to have a bigger platform to introduce our product to the people. And then the second is problem solving. Before we launch our product, we want to do a trial first to know the problem, if there is a glitch on our app, so that we have a chance to solve that specific problem. And then third is partners. We encourage the public institution and private businesses that it is worth it to invest to our product. And the fourth is launching. Key resources. To start a mobile app company, we will need to possess certain physical and intellectual property or human and financial resources that will be applied for development. The first resources is physical resources, which is equipment, tools, computers, internet, and building. And the second resources is financial resources, which is money, assets, credits, and fund that will be used to pay for the development process. And third resources is human resources, which is IT and staff or employees. And then the last is intellectual resources, which is patents, trademarks, patterns, and databases.
key partners will have a strategic alliance with different local establishments in Valencia City, like business firms, food chains, hospital, malls, supermarket, schools, and other more who can provide job opening or vacancy. We will supply them with qualified workers or employees through screening the job seekers and the platform. We also need to partner with software programmer in order to write code for our application. They are need for maintenance, debugging, and troubleshooting system in order to ensure that everything is running smoothly. And aligning with Dole is very helpful in providing more available job within our platform.
Cost structure. The cost structure describes all the costs and expenditures that our business would incur when running the business model. The final step in the process is important because it will help our team determine whether to pivot or move forward. There are two categories in our cost structure, the value-driven and the fixed cost. Under the value-driven is the commission fee, and it is the expense of our product, which is the J Top-Up, where we consulted IT experts, and they're the one who make it, and we're only going to pay for it. Fixed cost. Fixed cost is the cost associated with our business commodity that must be charged regardless of how much we sell or receive. Under the fixed cost is the rent for office space where the workers who work and improve our app are working here. Salaries. Salaries are also one of the expense because they work for us and we have to pay them for their service. Utilities. Utilities are the expense for electricity, gas, computers, and so on. Amortization is the gradual charging of the cost of an intangible asset such as patent purchase over the useful life of the asset. Property tax. Property tax is the tax imposed on a corporation by local government, which is based on the valuation of its properties. Office supplies like pens, bond papers, and etc.